I actually joined Clapingo because my mother showed your video
Oh my
that
God,
you know
I am
that
just overwhelmed. Thank you very much.
this
And it is,
this is not actually happened. Like my mother showed me this, that this is how a speaker speaks in Clapingo, and this is how
Mhm.
people learn. This is how conversation goes. So you can also join Clapingo.
Yeah,
And
definitely.
yours
Yeah, because
was the video, like multiple. She showed me multiple videos, and that's why I remember you so clearly.
oh
Like
my
okay,
God,
know the
so I'm so blessed.
I am. How do I say? That's such a big compliment for me. Somebody, please give me water.
No,
Let's start, Indrajit. How was your weekend? What did you do
uh,
today?
uh, weekend was because I went to the college in the beginning of this week, and I just returned yesterday. So feel relieved and relaxed. So I just laid down on the bed, and I just made a couple of videos, short videos for uploading YouTube's, because I am into this, and and a lot of times I spent with my YouTube and also making videos and editing videos because it takes much time. So yeah, that's how I spend these days.
Okay. So apart from this Clappingo session videos, do you work on other genres of videos?
Especially I'm thinking right now that I have to make another videos like vlog with English lessons, because I whatever I upload, it is all about speaking English or English related.
Yeah.
So because that's how I can improve my English, and also other people can improve
Oh,
English.
that's nice. That's very noble of you, actually.
Yeah, actually, yeah, that's the thing. In lockdown 2020, I just started this YouTube channel, and I used to use different kind of video calling platforms, and also with their permissions I upload videos, because I was so introvert. So it helps me to be extrovert, as well as the other people can learn, because and also the other people can't afford this kind of applications, so it would be really helpful for them also. So that's why I
Yeah.
just upload. And it is a as my channel is monetized, so it really helps me a little bit in my monetary factor
Okay.
as
Are
well.
you not introvert anymore? Like, are you extrovert now?
Yeah, I feel confident to speak English and also to interact with different people from different countries, different cultures. So I love interacting with people.
You have also subscribed to Cambly, right?
Yeah.
Cambly. I think there's so many, like it's like a flashback. Okay, the entire series is moving in front of my eyes, and I'm like swapping here. Okay, I have seen this one. I have seen this, and
Okay.
you will be intrigued to learn this. I actually joined Clappingo because my mother showed your video
Oh my
that
God, I am
that
just overwhelmed. Thank you very much.
no,
And it is,
this is not actually happened. Like my mother showed me this, that this is how a speaker speaks in Clappingo, and this is how
Mhm.
people learn. This is how conversation goes. So you can also join Clappingo.
Yeah,
And
definitely.
yours
Yeah, because
was the video, like multiple. She showed me multiple videos, and that's why I remember you so clearly.
oh
Like
my
okay,
God,
know the
I'm so blessed, because and some tutors from Camly as well. They spoke that after watching my videos, they joined Camly. They know about that platform. So I feel that
okay. So
I'm so blessed
I'm
that I am a part of someone's like spending times with.
no, actually, like had I not seen your videos, I probably would not be here.
No, no, it is.
Seriously.
I'm so blessed, and also yeah, God really helps you to join Clappingo, and also to help the students to the learners. So that is
Uh,
okay. That is really
yeah.
wonderful.
Are you religious by any chance?
Uh, I believe in God, but I do respect all the religions, and also I have a lot of friends from different religions. So I do respect all the religions, and I do believe in some power, some like that motivates me a
Divine
lot. Hmm.
powers.
Some light.
Okay.
Not only my religion, I do respect all the religions, because I
Okay.
have so many friends from different cultures, from different religions. So I do respect them. And I believe something that I believe that life is miracle. So no one knows what would be waiting for the future. So I think and also I want to enjoy my life every moment.
You feel like somebody who's very playful, yet very, how do I say, yet very disciplined. Like you're playful and yet disciplined.
Actually,
I feel like.
I got to learn discipline because I was sent to the hostel and also the mission, where I prayed a lot, and also I spent my life with in a disciplined way. So it really helped me to build up myself, to structure myself in a good way.
Okay.
I was sent to the hostel, so that's why I learned.
Okay, and how will you mind if I give you feedback on the spot, or should I wait till the end of the session?
At any time when you feel free, just
Yeah. So on that note, I noticed that couple of times you have repeated the same sentence with the same grammatical error, which
okay,
was
okay.
I was staying to hostel. Okay, we stay
Oh,
in
in hostel, right?
hostel.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I thought that it's a slip of tongue first time, and then I was
Mm.
like, okay, I'll give him a benefit of doubt. And then the
Yeah,
second
definitely.
time it happened, so I thought, okay,
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
let's.
Whenever you feel free, then or you want to correct me, then just go ahead.
Thank you, thank you for not minding.
No,
Actually,
no, no.
okay.
It's okay. Yeah.
So, would you like to go along with the session document, or do you have a topic in mind?
Uh, so I can go with the session document as well as I want to know from you that if you don't mind that where do you live, man?
I actually belong to Uttarakhand, but
Okay.
I've been born and brought up in Raipur, Chhattisgarh, and I've spent my entire life here. I
Okay.
wasn't not aware of my own Uttarakhand's cultures a lot. Like I haven't been there much. Lived most
Oh,
of
I
my life
see.
here in Raipur.
Okay. And
So
now you are living in Chhattisgarh.
yes, in Raipur, Chhattisgarh, yes.
Okay.
And
Nice.
I also graduated last month
Oh,
in
wow.
English.
Great. Wow. Very nice.
It's actually that's what I'm saying. Like it's been only a month that I joined, and I'm seeing you. It's like I'm talking to a celebrity.
Mhm. No, no, no. It's okay.
How many times have you had stressful days?
Stressful days like especially when I go for interviews or because and also a lot of domestic chores I have like official chores. So I feel like it is a stressful day and why me? Because there are a lot of persons, but I have to. They chose me to do that to do the official work. So I
Okay.
feel like it is very stressful.
Oh, cool. So do you like taking responsibilities or do you not like taking responsibilities?
Yeah, I would be very happy to take responsibilities, but because and also there are a lot of people, but when you say that I can do all the things, then the people tend to take task to me only because even the other person is okay enough to do that, but they chose me. So I think that why it is like a biased and they are free, they are roaming around, uh, but I have to do that task. So I feel like stressful on that day.
Okay. Okay. And how do you plan your general day? Like how do you prioritize things? When is your productive time? When is your relaxed?
Productive time is morning, especially, but my morning starts at 9 a.m.
So it's
Because
good time, right? It felt like you are not very happy with your timings. Like 9
uh,
a.m. sounds good to me.
but actually, yeah, the thing is, I have to make videos or I have to record videos at night in the midnight, especially because there is a calm environment. So that's why I have to make videos in the midnight. So I feel sometimes tired and lack
Oh,
of sleep. But yeah, I can feel it up taking a nap at noon.
okay. And so how for how many hours would you sleep in the afternoons?
In the afternoon, it's like 1 hour, hardly.
And you don't feel extra tired after sleeping? Like if I sleep in the afternoons
Yeah,
and once I wake
sometimes,
up,
sometimes. Yeah, exactly. Sometimes I feel like very tired. I do not want to get up from the bed. Sometimes I feel. I don't know
yeah,
why I
I
feel that.
I might have an answer to that. Okay, so what happens is, so if we have had a very heavy lunch just before sleeping or taking a nap,
Hmm.
and it's generally more than what we usually take or have, then when we
Okay.
sleep and when we wake up after that, we feel extra tired because our body has never used up that energy that we got from extra lunch.
Okay. Wow. Nice lesson. Like biological lesson I learned. Thank you. Yeah, it may be. Yeah. It's actually, yeah, it must be. That's why I think
Because
because
this
especially
is what
Sunday lunch.
yes. Yes, it happens to me like a lot of times, and I've started taking lesser lunch amounts, like smaller portions of
Okay.
lunch,
Hmm.
so that one, either I don't fall asleep, or if I do by chance, I won't feel tired and I'll still have energy to do something in my life. Make some,
Oh, okay.
unlike
Wow.
you, I don't make YouTube videos. I used to have an
Yeah.
Instagram channel.
Oh, wow. Nice. Can you
It
share
was
me?
all about, yeah. The Instagram channel, it's not educational.
Okay.
So, but either way, this is my Instagram ID, and it's a gaming channel. Okay, so I used to
Oh.
upload clips of my gamings and when I used to play professionally. So a few clips are there from my when I used to play as a
Hmm.
profession. So
Okay.
just like that.
Wow. Nice. Wow. Great. So you have hobby like gaming.
Yes, esports actually, not just like that.
Okay. Esports.
Esports.
Oh.
So I am a first person shooter gamer. I used to play
Wow.
Counter Strike,
Oh, wow. The my
Valorant.
nostalgia. Counter Strike and Freedom Fighters.
Like, exactly. And there's this Call of Duty Warzone when it was launched for laptop gaming.
Hmm.
And Counter Strike, I've been playing Counter Strike like for instance 1.6, Counter Strike Half Life,
Oh,
Valve,
wow.
and all of that. Okay.
Wow.
So,
Great. Great. Then so nice to
thank
meet you
you.
and so lovely talking with you. And I hope that I
See,
have to make a lot of sessions, like 1,000 sessions with you.
I, 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 I am, how do I say? That's such a big compliment for me. Somebody please give me water.
No, no, it's okay. It's
Because
really fun to talk
I
with you.
I was like, I know him. My first
Oh.
reaction was, I know him. So like,
Oh my God. Same here, same pinch.
thank you so much. And I think I have found your areas of improvement, and
Yeah, yeah.
majorly your target areas should be the prepositions.
Hmm.
Your tenses are correct. Your sentence formations are correct. And the best part is that you're articulate. You're very clear.
Oh,
It's
thank
only
you.
the prepositions that you're faltering, that too not very much, like out of 10, 1 or 2 times you're faltering, but I think that is achievable, that is overcome, you can
Yes.
overcome it. So that is one area of improvement that I identified in our
Okay.
beautiful 15 minutes of conversations.
Yeah, definitely,
Sorry,
definitely. We
conversation.
really enjoy, I think.